In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track invoices in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, dependable system that shows every invoice, its status, and what needs your attention next. Open ClickUp and create a dedicated space just for finances. Click Spaces, choose Create Space and name it Business Finance or simply Invoices. Make sure tasks and custom fields are enabled. These features will hold your invoice details and make updates fast and consistent, so you're not juggling spreadsheets or scattered notes. Inside that new space, create a list called Invoices. Think of this list as your centralized filing cabinet for every invoice you send, past and present. Before adding anything, set up your custom fields so each task captures the important details. Add client name as a text field and invoice number as text for easy search. Add amount as a money field so totals are formatted correctly, and due date as a date field to track timelines. Add payment status as a drop-down with unpaid, paid, and overdue. Consider assigning colors so statuses stand out at a glance. If you want extra context, include optional fields like payment method and notes. With these fields in place, sorting and filtering becomes effortless. Next, define your task statuses to mirror the invoice lifecycle. Draft, sent, unpaid, paid, and overdue. These statuses act like stages on a pipeline, making it obvious where each invoice stands without opening the task. If you don't have ClickUp yet, there's a link at the top of the description to download the app or open the web version so you can follow along right away. Now add your invoices as tasks. Click Add Task and name it something like Invoice number 104, client name. Open the task and fill in those custom fields. One task equals one invoice, which keeps your system searchable, consistent, and easy to audit later. To avoid late payments, set a due date on the invoice task and turn on notifications or reminders. This gives you proactive nudges before invoices become overdue, so follow-ups happen on time. Use multiple views to stay organized. List view displays all invoice details for quick editing. Board view lets you drag invoices across statuses, like moving from unpaid to paid. Calendar view surfaces upcoming due dates, helping you plan your cash flow and workload. Finally, schedule a weekly or monthly review. Filter the list by unpaid or overdue to see what needs attention, follow up with clients, and mark invoices as paid as soon as funds arrive. That's your streamlined invoice tracker in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.